Hello everybody, I am Cassandra Danielle and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Cass. I love to cook. I am not always in the kitchen because I work and it makes me exhausted. But I do love to cook, and so when I have some time, I really like to, especially like it's just me. I just live by myself, so I can make a whole thing, put it as leftovers, and meal prep for the rest of the week. So that's what I'm going to do today. Today I'm going to be making kind of like, if you hear the blinds moving, it's because the cat is trying to look outside. But basically what I'm going to be doing today is some kind of taco meat, not necessarily like taco seasoning, but it's going to be something with ground turkey that you could probably use as some type of taco meat, or like with nachos, or something that you might be able to even just throw in with some pasta or in a salad. It's going to be a little spicy, and so the first thing I'm going to do is brown this turkey. However, I am an idiot, and when I left for work this morning, I forgot to take it out of the freezer, put it in the fridge. So it's not completely thawed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on low heat on the oven or on the stove with a lid on top of the skillet, so it'll basically defrost there, and then I can turn up the heat and brown the meat. So let's do that. Okay, so now while we're waiting for this to defrost and start browning, I'm going to prep my jalapeno and maybe whatever veggies. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to eat tonight. I'm not super hungry, so I don't know if I want to do just like a small burrito, or if I want to do some nachos, or just eat it with like a little bit of chips anyway. I don't know, but I think I'm going to start some prep. So we got to put the stuff that we're going to put, the seasoning and all of the goodness that we're putting in with this meat. So let's start prepping. But I don't want it to be so overpowering. Like, I don't want it to be insanely spicy, and I have other spicy stuff I'm going to add into it as well besides the jalapeno. So I'm going to leave half of the seeds in it. So cutting the so I'm going to leave the seeds from half of the jalapeno in it and take out the seeds from the other half, so the spice level isn't as elevated. Okay, so it's browned. Let me show you. So we got it browned. There's still some pieces of it that aren't like completely cooked all the way through, but it's mostly cooked all the way through. So now I'm going to add the jalapenos and the chili oil and some garlic, pepper, and salt, and make that around. Mix it around and see how that tastes. for a couple minutes just so the jalapenos can get a little cooked. Like when I said when I first started filming, I'm not super hungry, and actually as I continue to cook I thought I would get hungrier. However, my appetite has turned even more so. I'm not hungry at all. Like, I'm not gonna really eat any of this, but I do want to try it for you guys, and I want to make it all pretty and plate it. So I'm gonna do like a mini, you know, like Tiny Chef, or like, I don't know, mini products. Like, I'm gonna do like a little mini plating, and just try a bite of it for you guys. And then it's gonna go into containers and put in the fridge in my meal prep, and I'll add it into salad, whatever I want to do with it. So that's the plan. Okay, so let's try it. I normally like I said, I'm very hungry, so normally I'd put like, I don't know, like some Cholula on it, or maybe put some cheese over it. Ooh, those are still kind of cold. Oh well. Let's see. That's really good. It's not too spicy, but I feel the heat. It's a pretty mellow flavor. Like, it's definitely there. It was really good. But it's not super overpowering, which is nice. I definitely think it needs more salt, but with the salt on the tortilla chips, it's actually really nice. I'm not hungry, but I will finish what I have on this plate. That's really good. Actually, I want to get a bite with the jalapenos because I didn't really have any. That's really good. I'm very happy with myself. Also, don't know why I didn't address this earlier. I sliced my finger today, which is why I have a blue band-aid, because then I have to work. So it's blue. Anyway, that was really good. I love cooking, and so this was really fun for me, just having you guys with me while I was doing my meal prep for the week. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I feel like I'll probably have, this is like the first of many cooking videos, but we'll see. Maybe some baking in there, because I don't just cook. Like, I love to bake cookies. Cookies are my favorite thing to bake. Anyway, thank you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye.